So all of you come to sitting position. Sorry, there is some sound, so we'll have to tolerate for today. I don't know whether it will stop soon. Yeah, okay, no problem. Can sit straight, keep your back straight, okay? Hands in Dhyana Mudra. We'll do the interactive session. So today's interactive session is the purpose of the session is to explain what we are going to do the next month. That's the purpose of today's session, right? So as much as possible, try to understand what we are going to practice next month. All the days of next month, we'll be doing this only, whatever we are going to do today. Yeah. So there will be some changes compared to the previous month. There will be something new, something will continue like that. Okay. So we will, and next month, the loosening practice, we're going to do in lying down position. Some part. Remaining will be sitting, something like that. There are 3-4 types of loosening practice that we do. So just try to remember. There will be a video also. You can see that whenever you are back home, so that you can understand if you're not clear. So we'll do the starting prayer first. Keep your back straight. So this is called Dhyana Mudra. Then inhale, take your hands up sideways. Join all the fingers at the top. When you're exhaling, bring them to center of the heart. Eyes are closed. We'll do together. Take inhalation. Oh. Together. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tat Savidur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Inhaling, take the hand straight upwards. That's how you have to bring. Exhaling, bring your hands down sideways. Okay. So that is the starting prayer for next month. Now we are going to do loosening practice. So if you are not clear, you can lie down in such a way that you can see what I am practicing. Okay. If you, while lying down, if you cannot see me, so you have to think and practice. Okay. So all of us, you're going to lie down now. Practices are similar, but most of them in lying down, at least half of them. Okay. So lie down on your back. I'm going very slow so that you'll take time and understand what you're going to do. Now, after lying down, you can keep the legs together and hands close to the body. The palm will be facing the mat. It will be kept on the mat. Now, inhaling, point your toes forward. Both the toes pointed. Exhaling, point it backward. You have to pull it backwards. Inhale, front. Both the toes pointed. Exhale, back. Pull it back towards the knee. Inhale, front. We're going to do 5 times. Exhale, back. Both your toes. Inhale, front. This is the 4th time. Exhale, back. One more time. Inhale, front. And exhale, back. Now rotate the feet. 1, all the sides. 2, 3. Try to think about your feet. 4. You must think, then only it will work properly. 5. Now opposite side. 1, 2, 3. Try to stretch your toes all the side. 4. And one more time. 5. After that, bend both the legs and keep your feet close to the buttocks on the mat. Okay. I hope all of you have done that. Correct. You don't have to catch your legs. Hands are there only. Inhale, straighten your left leg up. So your knee will, and your toe should be pointed upwards. Exhale, bend it. Keep it back on the floor. Inhale, right leg up, point it upwards. Exhale, bend your leg. Inhale, left. It becomes straight, okay? Exhale, bend. Inhale, right. Exhale, bend. Try to go with my counting. Inhale, left. Exhale, bend. Inhale, right. And exhale, bend. Now, so now your legs are together, okay? Now both the legs together. Inhale, up. Straighten your leg up. Exhale, bend. Keep it on the floor. Don't keep it in the air. Inhale, 2. Straighten your leg once again. Exhale, bend. Keep it on the mat. Inhale, 3. We have to do it 5 times. Exhale, bend. Inhale, 4. Straighten your leg. Exhale, bend. One last time. Inhale, 5. And exhale, bend. Keep it there only. Don't change your legs. Now inhaling, spread your arms sideways on the floor. Bring them to the level of your shoulder. So the arms are in the level of the shoulder. If you have any doubt, look at me. Exhale, tilt your knees to the left side. Both the knees to the left side. Your own left side. And you should look at the right hand. Okay. Now inhale, bring it up and look at the sky. Exhale, tilt your knees to the right side and you should look at the left hand. Inhale, bring it up and look to the sky. Like that 2 more times. Exhale, left, look to the right side. Inhale, up, look upwards. Exhale, right, look to the left hand. Inhale, up, look up. One more time. Exhale, left, look to the right hand. Inhale, up, center position. Exhale, right, look to the other hand. And inhale, up, center position. Exhaling, you can keep your hands down, legs down. Both the hands and both the legs will come to the starting position where you were starting from. Okay, that's it. Now, we are going to raise the legs one by one without bending the knee. Inhale, take your left leg up, 90 degrees, it has to come. Try, okay. Exhale, keep the leg down. Now going to the right. Inhale, right leg up, 90 degrees. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, left. I cannot breathe with you because I'm talking. Exhale, down. So my breathing is not correct. Inhale, right. All of you to inhale. Exhale, down. How many times over? 2 times. One more. Inhale, left. Left leg goes up. Exhale, down. The other leg should not move. Inhale, right. Right leg up. And exhale, down. Now comes both the legs together, okay? So, inhale, up. Both the legs together, up. Exhale, down. Bring it slowly down, okay? Inhale, 2. Together, both the legs up. Exhale, down. Okay, I hope it's fine. Now do one thing. Take both the arms over your head. Both the arms over your head. Keep it on the floor. Exhale, point your toes. Now, same practice with the arms over your head. Inhale, 3. Both the legs up. Okay, try to maintain. Exhale, down. How many times over? 3 times. Inhale, 4. Both the leg goes up. I hope you're able to lift. Exhale, down. If you find it very tough, you have to bend your knees while doing this. Last one. Inhale, 5. Now you have to stay there for 10 numbers. I will count. 1. Please look at your toe. Maintain this position for 10 numbers. 2. Breathe normally. Keep the knees straight and together. 3. You try to maintain without bending the knee. 4. So you're actually using the muscles of your stomach and back. 5. Good for strengthening back and stomach. 6. Going a little slow. 7. Try to maintain upwards. 8. Pull out. Try to maintain the leg up. 9. Renukappa. And 10. Slowly bring the legs down along with your exhalation. Okay. I hope you were able to do it. Now, inhaling, bend your left leg alone. Only the left leg. Okay. Just keep it like a mountain. On the exhalation, turn to the ground. Lie down on your stomach. Okay. You're lying down on the stomach. You may be facing that side, don't worry. After that, keep both the palm by the side of your chest. Both the palm. Your elbow should be above the wrist. Okay, your elbow should not be away. Keep the legs together, point your toes backwards. Now we are going to do cobra breathing. Inhale, lift your chest by pushing the ground. Just lift it upwards like a cobra. Exhale, slowly come down. Okay, 5 times this also. Inhale, 2. We are actually preparing the backbone. Exhale, down. This is called cobra breathing. Inhale, 3. Try to improve the arch. Exhale, down. 2 more times are there. Inhale, 4. Upper body lift. Exhale, down. One more last time. Inhale, 5. Now stay there for some time. 1, 2. Try to straighten the elbow. 3. Legs together. 4, 5. Exhale, come down. Okay. Now inhale, stand up on the knees and hands like a cat position. Come to cat position. Then exhale and turn forward. All of you turn forward. Yeah, so you're facing myself now. Okay. So in the same cat position, you have turned forward. Now what do? Keep the knees a little away. Hands also little away. You can do standing toe. That means your toe should be pointing forward. Now loosening practice for the backbone. You have to stretch your left arm and right leg. Inhale, stretch your left arm, right leg. Left arm, right leg. Okay. Other leg. Exhale, fold them, elbow touch your knee like this. Try to touch it. Inhale, 2, stretch the same side again. Yeah. Exhale, fold. Okay. Inhale, 3. Look at the hand which went in front. Exhale, fold. Inhale, 4. Stretch front and back. Exhale, fold. One last time. Inhale, 5. Now stay here. 1, leg straight. 2, point your toe. 3, look at your hand. 4, like a boat shape. 5. Exhale, elbow touch your knee. Stay here also. 1, 2, look at the knee. 3, which is touching the elbow. 4, 5. Inhale to cat pose. And exhale the breath. Keep the fingers wide open, okay? If it's paining, careful, don't do too much of it. Inhale, 1. Right arm, left leg. Try to straighten your leg and hand. Exhale, fold. Elbow touch your knee. In the air only. Gitika, like this. Inhale, 2. Stretch your hand and leg. Look at your hand. Exhale, fold. Inhale, 3. Hand and leg. Leg also up. Renukappa. Exhale, fold. Inhale, 4. This is called Marjariyasana only. Exhale, 4. One last time. Inhale, 5. Now stay there. Look at your hand. 1, 2, hand up. 3, balance. 4, 5. Exhale, elbow touch your knee. 1, look at your knee. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale to cat position. And exhale, sit in Vajrasana. Okay. Sit straight. Once again. Okay. So till now we have done most of the things lying down, and we did the Marjariasana, that's all. Now continuation of sitting loosening practice. Bring the arms in front, parallel to the ground. This we done last month also. Same thing you're going to repeat. Fist close, spread. Close, spread. Close, spread. Observe that. Close, spread. One more. Close, spread. Palm down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more. Down, up. Fist close, wrist rotation. 1, 2. This is the same that we did last month. 3. No change in that. 4, 5. Reverse. 1. Don't drop your hand. 2, 3. Practice along with me if you're there. 4 and 5. Hands on your shoulder. Straighten the arms in front. Fold your arm. Straighten the arm. Fold, straight. Fold, straight. One more time. Fold, straight. Now fold it. Touch your elbows in front. 1. Shoulder rotation. 2. See, the bigger the circle, the better. Take it back also. 3. 5 times, okay? 4. One more time. 5. Opposite side. 1. So when is the inhalation here? 2. Anybody? Where is the inhalation? 3. When your elbow goes up. Okay. 4. Let it cross the height here. See, Pallav? This position you have to bring. One more round. 5. Now interlock the finger. Inhale and stretch your arms to the sky. Stay there. 1. Lengthen your backbone. 2. Lock your anus. 3. Don't hold your breath. Normal breathing. 4. Finish the last inhale. 5. Exhale. Bring the hands down. Okay. Now sit to one side. You have to sit only one side. Release the legs in front of you. Hands back. Shake your legs. Yeah, put your chin down now. Neck rotation. Okay. Start rotating the neck. 1. Tilt your head all the sides. Bring it back from the other side. 2. Take it all the directions. 3. 4. One more last round. 5. Opposite direction. 1. 2. 3. Tilt your neck sideways, backwards, all places. 4. One more last round. 5. Relax. Now sit straight. Last loosening practice will be forward bending loosening. Inhale, take your arms sideways up. Exhale, bend forward. As much as possible. Whatever possible, look at your toe. Don't look down. Inhale, sit up. Point your toes forward when you sit up. Exhale, down. When you go down, your toe should be pointing towards the knee, towards yourself. Yeah. Inhale, sit up. Lift your hands nice and high. Exhale, down. Try to go a little more. Keep on traveling forward. Inhale, 4. Point your toes when you come up. Point your toe. Exhale, down. When you go down, your toe will point towards you. One more time. Inhale, 5. It's okay. Wherever you reach, you have to reach. That's it. And exhale, down. Stay there for some time, looking at the toe. 1. Yeah. See, idea is to travel front, not downwards. Okay. Normal breath is enough. 2. Don't round. See, bring the Gayatri. Chest in front.
Don't bring your head down. 3, try to become more and more flat back. 4, normal breathing, whatever possible you have to do. Last moment you can put your head down. 5.
Now inhale, sit up, lift your hands to the sky. Straighten your back, straighten the arms. Exhale, bring the hands down. Relax. Fold your legs, come to standing position. So what we did till now is the loosening practice of this month. Any doubts in what we did? Some people have done this, no? Yeah. So from here, when you do this, like this is an inhalation, this is an exhalation, correct? Inhale, exhale. And then final, last time when you stay here, normal breathing. Yeah, looking at the toe. Here, normal breathing. Then here also, when you stay, here also normal breathing. Yeah.
Sir, when we are doing the last loosening, right, forward bending,
Yeah.
is it okay to bend the legs and fold across the foot, or is it okay to straight and then hold the thumb?
So it is better if you are not able. See, I'm going to show you a wrong technique. If you do like this, it is wrong. You can see my back is rounding, correct?
Yeah.
You're able to see, no, don't do like this. Okay. So what you have to do is you can bend the knee slightly. So instead of bending the back, bend the leg. This is fine. Okay, now my back is straight, correct? My leg is, stomach is touching the thigh. You can try. Anybody wants to or not able to do that, you can try that. Good question, Manju. Many people would have doubt. So idea is to become flat with the leg straight. Okay, finally, today or tomorrow. So if you want, so inhale, take your hands up. Exhale. See, when I bend forward, this has to come first. So lead with this. See, I'm looking front. See, my chest is going forward. I'm not putting head down. What's her name? I forgot her name. Your name? Swati. So don't put head down, because what is it called? It's called forward bending. It is not called downward bending. No. What is the name given to this? If it is a downward bending, people will tell, now bend downward. Yet, iska naam hai forward bending. So you have to travel front, correct? So let's travel forward. So if you find it tough, bend it slightly. Inhale, exhale. Now, how many of you can touch your stomach on the thigh? Can you touch it? By bending the knee, bending the knee. Okay. Now, can you catch the heel, this position? By bending the knee. Bend ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Now, keeping the contact of your stomach and the thigh on. ಅದು touch ಇರಬಹುದು. Touch, keeping it that contact on, try to straighten the leg. You should not lose the contact. Okay. So little more. Wherever you lose the contact, your capacity is over. See, bend madi. First leg bend madi. Aita, illi catch madi. Catch the heel. Now keep on straightening the leg. The moment your leg leave, your thigh goes away from the stomach, stop there. That is forward bending. Gradually. See, now my stomach is touching, my leg has become straight. My body is here only. Correct? See, head is nothing to do with this. So instead of rounding the back, bend the knee. That is better. Okay.
Same thing with the counts. Can you do the same thing with the count? Like when 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you say no. Can you do it with the count?
So I'm here. Okay. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. See, this much only I'm going. Beyond this, I cannot go. Just giving an example. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. So maybe you can bend it slightly. Inhale, 3. Exhale, down. Maybe a little more straight. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. See, there is no rounding here. If you do this, gone. See the difference. This and this. Can you see the difference? Try to make it flat. Okay. Inhale, 5. And exhale, down. Now, when you stay here, 1, 2. See the back is straight. 3. It's not rounding. 4. Okay, done. 5. Today I can do this much only. No problem. Inhale, up.
Exhale, hands down. Okay. Standing position. This month, Chandra Namaskar, 10 rounds, and Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar, 2 rounds. Samasthiti. Inhale, take the arms sideways up. Exhale, bring to center of the heart. Eyes are closed. Inhale. Oh. Together. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushanna pavrano satya dharmaya drishtaye. Oh. Inhale, open your eye. Exhale, look at your nose. Hereafter, Ujjayi breathing, sound of your throat. Take an inhale with the sound of your throat. Observe the sound. Exhale it. That sound. Okay, all of you put your hands down. Once again, I'll make that sound. All of you put your hands down. It'll pain if you hold for too long. Yeah.
I'm getting lot of confusion about ocean breath, sir.
Why so much confusion?
Exhale is better, but inhale is low. I am getting proper in proper way. I am not getting inhale, sir.
Practice closing the eyes when you are not attending the class. That time you practice in front of the mirror.
Okay, sir.
Try to
Okay, sir.
practice in front of the mirror. You will get that idea.
Okay. At that time, stomach को squeeze करना है, sir.
Stomach pe don't give any focus on stomach at that time. Just focus on the sound of breathing. That's all. Don't focus anything on stomach. Okay.
Inhale and exhale through the throat only. Nostril inhalation, nostril exhalation is not required, sir.
See, the sound of breathing will come from the throat, but in the nose, the breathing is done through the nostrils only. You are not supposed to breathe through the mouth. You are supposed to breathe through the nose only, but the sound will come from the throat. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So hereafter, the breathing with throat sound. Chandra Namaskara. Samasthiti, come front of the mat. All of you. 4 times we will do. Feet together. Your toe will touch each other, the big toe. Heels together, hands little here down, not upwards towards the chin. Keep it on the center of the chest so that you will press your palms against each other. Ideally, look nose. I am not looking nose because I am observing you. Ekam. Inhale, take your arms up, bend back. Dvi. Exhale, bend forward. Reach the arms and bend forward. It's an exhalation. Okay. Trini. Left leg back. Take a long step. Knee down. Inhale, hands up sideways. Ardha Chandrasana or Anjaneyasana. Chatwari. Exhale, bring your hands down. Sideways, bring it down. Pancha. Inhale, take your second leg also back. It's a high plank, not a mountain. No, don't put your buttocks, keep your buttocks straight, little up, it's going down. Shat. Exhale, knee, chin and chest directly on the floor. Chin and chest. Inhale, lift your upper body. Everything should be in the air, not resting. Ashta. Exhale and lift your back. Nava. Same. Left foot forward between your hands. Let it reach here. Other knee down. Other knee down. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bring your hands down and bring the other leg forward. This is Chandra Namaskara. Ekadasha. Inhale, stand up. Stretch your hands back. Dvadasha. Exhale to Namaskar Mudra. There is no mantra because it is moon salutation. Okay, come forward. Check your positions. You should not be drifting backward. Second round. Ekam. Inhale, take your arms and bend back. Dvi. Exhale, bend forward, not downward. Trini. Right leg back, knee down. Inhale, hands up, sideways. Anjaneyasana. Try to take it back. Chatwari. Exhale, bring the hands down. Keep your chin parallel, not downwards. Pancha. Inhale, take the second leg back. Don't look up, look just chin parallel. Shat. Exhale, knee, chin and chest down. Flip the toe, inhale, lift your upper body. Full should be floating. Ashta. Exhale, lift your back. Nava. Right foot front. Keep the left knee down. Left knee down. Inhale, hands up. You have to make a C shape. Anjaneyasana. Exhale. Bring your hands down sideways and bring the second leg forward. Ekadasha. Inhale, stand up, stretch your hands back. Samasthiti. Exhale. Ideally, look at the nose. Come forward. Round 3. Ekam. Inhale, take your arms, bend back. Dvi. Exhale. Slowly go down. Trini. Left leg back. Knee down. Inhale, hands up sideways. Try to make a C shape. Chatwari. Exhale, hands down. Keep it in parallel. Pancha. Inhale, take the second leg back. High plank. Don't look up. Keep your head straight. Shat. Exhale. Knee, chin and chest. Inhale, lift your upper body. Upper body, not plank. Ashta. Exhale, lift your back. Nava. Left foot front again. Other knee down. Other knee down. Inhale, hands up. C shape. Anjaneyasana. Dasha. Exhale, your hands down. Bring the second leg forward. Ekadasha. Inhale, stand up. Stretch your arm. Samasthiti. Exhale. One more last round. Don't drift. Ekam. Inhale, take your hands up, bend back. Dvi. Exhale, long bending. Trini. Right foot back. Knee down. This knee down. Inhale, hands up, join your palms and look at your thumbs. Anjaneyasana. Chatwari. Exhale, hands down. Chin parallel, chin up. Don't look down. Pancha. Inhale, take the second foot back. Don't keep your buttocks down. It's a straight. Buttocks up. Itika. Buttocks. Shut. Exhale. Knee, chin and chest. 8 points on the floor. Tatta. Toe backward. Lift your upper body. Head comes last. Ashta. Exhale, lift your back. Nava. Right foot front. Left knee down. See, it has to reach here. Inhale, hands up. Anjaneyasana. Exhale. Hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Ekadasha. Inhale, stand up. Bend back. Dvadasha. Exhale. Okay, inhale, take your hands straight up. No looking up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Now, any doubts? What we did? What is the difference between Surya Namaskar, Chandra Namaskar? Yeah, okay.
First, when you bring your leg forward,
Yeah.
it doesn't come in the position of the hand. It usually goes to the back.
So what you have to do, just see, you are here, correct? So first thing is you have to look there. See, always I keep telling, you will reach only where you look. So from this position, before bringing the leg, look at between your hands. Now, when you keep this leg, imagine you are keeping the left leg. So don't keep like this. What you do? See this hand change. Correct? It was like this, no? I gave space. I lifted this chest by giving that finger. Okay, because this hand is there. Try like that. Give a little space. First go to mountain position. That's not mountain. Yeah. Now look between your hand. Now take your left leg forward or whichever leg you want. Give a little space. But then the other knee. Keep the other knee down. Okay, do one thing. From here, keep this knee down first. Okay, keep the knee down, then bring the other leg. How did it reach now? See, I have techniques of all. मेरे पास है, दवाई है. So exhale. Okay, so from here, left knee down. So right knee down, left leg front, chin up. And sorry, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Now many people do like this. So from here, when you bring the second leg, I want all people to do that. Similarly, when you take your left leg back, here, left leg back, inhale, take your hands up. Exhale, hands down. See, I can do like this. I'm not doing, no. Breath baki hai, haath pahunch gaya pehle. So that is easy. So that there is no strength required in that. But if you want to bring it down, so ये muscle को काम करना पड़ेगा, गिराने का नहीं ना. So I have to slowly bring down. Now inhale. How do you take the second leg back? Not like this. From here, see, control. When you go down, जल्दी पहुंच गया ना. You have to use that strength. See, your body will ask you to fall, but your hand should not allow. Inhale. Where is my chin? Chin is down. Then when I reach, I will bring my chin up. First chin ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ it's like cobra, no? Cobra will bite like this. It will not bite like this. Correct? Cobra is like this, no? Like the karke, now it will bite. It will not come up like this. Correct? So when you come up like cobra like this, I keep telling, come up like cobra. Every time I'm telling, no? Here. Like that. And don't stay behind. Back pain aega. Front. So the weight has to come in the front, in Urdhva Mukha. Show me Urdhva Mukha Shvanas.
When you're pushing yourself up, it's okay to touch this thing on the ground for some time.
Yes. Come forward. Now lift your thighs. Lift your thighs in the air. Like that. There is strength required, no? It is not from here like this. That is not. So I want you to come front and lift. See, this push you have to get. Exhale.
Sir, from this
Right foot. Yeah, tell me.
Cobra, how did you come to the Parvatasana?
I was like this. Now I pull my leg a little forward and go back. So it was like this. You can do like this also. If you go back, slightly adjust your foot forward after reaching there. So if you are in cobra, this is cobra position. How to just observe my feet. I pull and reach to the mountain.
Yeah, so in this position, our feet doesn't touch the ground.
So what you have to do, see from here, when you go back, after reaching, take a little step forward. Now it will touch. At least the possibility of touching will be better.
Sir, how do we progress to Chaturanga Dandasana, sir?
See, you're doing 12 rounds of Chandra Namaskar, Surya Namaskar, correct? Initial 1 or 2, 3 rounds, okay, you do Ashtanga. Say 4th or 5th round, when you go down like this, from here. You can do one thing, go down to Ashtanga, try to lift. From here, when you start, if it's possible, try to lift knee and chest, both. So you have to keep practicing because see, a lot of upper body strength is required for keeping the. But if you do this, the effect of your Chandra Namaskar, Surya Namaskar is double, Chaturanga. See, now I showed you this one, right? What did I show you? Ashtanga Namaskara. You have an option of, now all of you try this. from this position. Yeah. Instead of 8 points on the floor, try to keep everything in the air. Keep everything in the air. Sab kuch hawa mein. Yeah, it's kind of a push-up. Yeah. Don't spread your elbow. Don't spread your elbow. Keep the buttocks up. Uma, try. This man is doing. Uma. So, ella 12 round to aatar barabodu. From here, changing the feet. Inhale, lift your upper body. Exhale, lift your back. So, it'll come with practice, Manju. Yeah, keep on practicing, it'll come. Regular practice, you'll get there. I remember my daughter, she practices. Initially, she was not even able to do one round of Chaturanga. But now she's not practicing. She's lazy now. But 1 year back, she used to practice very regularly. After 6 months, 7 months, she started doing 2 rounds in this was Chaturanga. Then 3, 4. All the 12 rounds she was able to do Chaturanga. Now I don't know. She's not practicing these days. Okay, so come. So that is Chandra Namaskar. Any other query? Otherwise, we are going to all the standing asanas.
Sir, it's Ramya.
Yeah, Ramya.
You do Chaturanga, your this thing is going means you fall for 1 second. I'm holding, then it falls. Body falls down.
That's a nice signal because you're able to hold for 1 second, right? That's an indication that yes, it's coming. Let it fall a little. It's fine. Okay.
I do it, and then it falls down, and then I go for the.
That's fine. That's fine, Ramya. You're at least able to hold a little, no, 1 second. That's good improvement. Gradually, you will get there. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Now, after that, what do we do? Keeping the feet apart, bringing the hands on your eye, open your eyelids, and rotate your eye. 1, all the rotations, all the sides. 2.
Sorry, we had Ashtanga A, sir.
Sorry. 3, I'll do that now, after this. 4, thanks for reminding. 1 more round. 5, opposite side. 1, all the directions you look. 2, 3, 4, 1 more round. 5. Okay. Release your hands and catch it on the waist. Eye rotations over. Now eye focusing. Inhale, look at your nose. Exhale, look at the wall in front. Look at 1 point. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. You can do normal breath also. Inhale, nose, tip of your nose. Exhale, look at the wall in front of you. Inhale, nose. Exhale, look at the wall. 1 more time. Inhale, nose. Stay here for some time. 1, gazing nose. 2, 3, normal breath is enough. 4, don't hold your breath. 5. Now look at that same point on the wall. 1, 2, try to focus on it. 3, ekagra drishti. 4, 5, release. Okay. So we forgot Surya Namaskara. The last 2 rounds was Surya Namaskara, Ashtanga A. Okay. Now let's do 2 rounds of that. Samasthiti, feet together, hands tight. Try to touch your big toe, hands tight. Now you have to go with me. Ashtanga A. The difference is there is a static holding position in this Surya Namaskara. Practice with me. Ekam. Inhale, take your arms up sideways, join your hands and look thumbs. So you don't have to bend back. Dvi. Exhale, bend forward, bring the hands sideways down. Sideways down. All the arm movements are sideways. Trini. Inhale, head up. Look towards your eyebrow. Chatwari. Step back, both the legs, exhale and go down on the mat. So stepping and going down, all that is one exhalation. Change your feet. Inhale, lift your upper body. Cobra position or Urdhva Mukha. Shut. Exhale, lift your back. Now you have to stay here for 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 1 breath is over. Inhale. Exhale. 2 breaths are over. Inhale. Good breathing. Exhale. So you're staying here for 5 breaths. Inhale. Breathing with sound from your throat. Exhale. 4. One more. Inhale. Try to maintain that mountain. And exhale. Breathing number 5. Sapta. Step forward, both the legs between your hands. See, 1 and 2. Inhale, head up. So in one step, you have to reach there. No head, no body up, only head up. Ashta. Exhale, head on the knee. Body and the legs. Nava. Inhale, stand up. Take your arms up sideways. Join your hands and look at your thumbs. Samasthiti. Exhale, your hands down sideways. No namaskara now. Okay. One more time so that you get familiar. Ekam. Inhale, arms up. Join your palms and look down. Dvi. Exhale, bend forward. Side moving hands. Try to touch your body on the legs. Trini. Inhale, head up. Zashtanga A Surya Namaskara. Chatwari. Step back both the legs. Exhale and go down. Whatever possible. Go down, go down. No halfway. Pancha. Inhale, lift your chest. Shat. Exhale, lift your back. Now, how many breaths you have to take here? Yeah, inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3 breaths are over. Inhale. Exhale. How many more left out? 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Over. Look between your hands. Sapta. Step forward, both the legs. Inhale, head up, head up. Head up, head up, head up. Upward. See my back? It's a concave back here. Really lift your head up. Ashta. Exhale, bring the body into the legs, head on the knees. Nava. Inhale, stand up. Hands up sideways. Join your hands and look at your thumbs. Samasthiti. Exhale, your hands down sideways. So what you did now is called Ashtanga A Surya Namaskara. Okay. 10 Chandra Namaskar, 2 Ashtanga A. Then the eye rotations will come. Then your Udhyana Bandha Agnisara Kriya. Keep your feet apart, hands on your knees. Yeah, keep your shoulders close to the ears. Don't do like this. Like this. See, my shoulders are touching, almost touching the ears. Okay. Look down. Inhale. Mouth exhale. No breathing, stomach pull. Inhale. So that's called Udhyana Bandha. Now knees straight. Both the knees straight. Second round, same practice. Look down on the mat. Inhale. Mouth exhale. Stomach pull. Inhale. Bend the knee slightly forward. Bend the knee. Now, pumping, Agnisara Kriya. 2 rounds. Inhale. Mouth exhale. Pumping start. Inhale. I'm going a little fast, otherwise we'll run short of time. Knee straight again. Same practice with the knee straight. Inhale. Mouth exhale. Stop, start pumping. Inhale. Now bend the knee slightly forward. So we keep changing the knee position. Last one, standing Uddiyana. Inhale. Mouth exhale. Stomach pull, stand up. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down. There's no power supply. Can you switch off that light? It's on UPS. That one also. Wait. Yeah, there is one which will switch off this one. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So we have done. Now we are going to just walk back from your position. 1, 2, 3, and turn to your own left. Your own left. Yeah. So we're going to do Trikonasana, Parivarta Trikonasana, Natarajasana, Parigasana. There are 4 asanas in standing position. After that, we will stop and discuss if any doubts. Samasthiti, keep your hands tight on the body and keep your feet together. Listen carefully. Ekam, inhale, take your right leg out, 3 feet, catch your waist. Only 3 feet, catch your waist. On the exhalation, turn your right foot and look over the right shoulder. Body doesn't turn. Body remains. You have to turn your right foot and look over the right shoulder. Okay. Now, inhale, open the arms and bring them parallel to the ground in the line of your legs. Okay. Now, the leg is not going to bend. Chatwari. Exhale, bend the body sideways. Bring your right hand on the right side of your right leg. Well, if here on the right side. And look at your left hand. Inhale, look at your left hand. So we are doing a triangle posture. Exhale. Try to keep the full palm on the ground. Jameen mele. Inhale. Not on the leg. Uma. Jameen mele. Exhale. Keep it on the right side of your right foot. Keep the knee straight as much as possible. Inhale. Look at your left hand, which is in the sky. And exhale. On the tail of the third exhale, you have to look down on your right leg. Don't bend the knee. Don't bend the knee. What's his name? Hello. Now look down on your right hand. Look down. Look down. Now inhale, stand up. Keep your arms parallel and look at your right hand. Exhale, turn your right foot forward. Look to the front. Exhale ho gaya. Now inhaling, turn your left foot and look at your left hand. Okay. Now you should not bend the knee when you bend sideways. Exhale, bend your body sideways. Try to keep your left hand on the left side of your left foot. Okay. You're almost there. Now inhale, look at your right hand. That's good. Exhale. 1, inhale. You are looking at your right hand. Exhale. Your right arm and left arm will be one line. It should not be front. It should be up. Gayatri. Inhale. Upar. Mele hogute. And exhale. On the last exhalation, you have to look down. Downwards, you have to look. Now inhale. Stand up. Look at your left hand. Your left hand will come up. Come, Pallava. On the exhalation, turn forward. Your feet and your drishti. Now inhale, turn your right foot. Again, look at your right hand. And now you're going to do twist. Look at your right hand. Right foot turn completely. Now we are going to twist. Now see the way I move my hands. Windmilling the arms. Exhale. Windmill the arms. Twist the body. Bring your left hand on the right side of your right foot. Twisted triangle posture. Twisting the body. Look at your right hand. Carefully. Don't fall. Inhale. Look at your right hand, which is in the air. Exhale. Careful. Don't drop. 1. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Try to twist your body while exhaling. And exhale. On the tail of the third exhale, look down. Look down. Now inhale. Stand up. Windmill the arms and come up. Look at your right hand. So you're not turning. Exhale. Look forward. Turn your foot. Turn your drishti. Now inhale, turn your left leg, look at the tip of your left hand. Okay. Now exhale, windmill. See, look at the way. No, 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 no. Wait, wait. See, how do I turn my hand? Just See, from here, I have to rotate my arms like this. Spin the body and bring your right hand behind the left leg. Right hand behind the left leg. No balava. See, I'm here. See, I windmill. Like that. Look at your upper hand, which is pointed to the sky. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Now look down. Now inhale, stand up, untwist the body and look at your left hand. Don't turn your direction. Exhale, turn and look forward. Now inhaling, catch your waist. Exhale, turn and jump. What are the two asanas? Trikonasana and Parivarta Trikonasana. Triangle posture and twisted triangle posture. So when you do triangle, it's a pure side bending like this. Don't catch here, here and all. If you want, you can keep bricks too. Yeah, you can keep brick like that. Both sides, you can keep 2 bricks. It will be easier. You want to try bricks? So when you're standing like this, you have to keep bricks like this and stand in front of the left brick. So ekam, dvi, trini, chattuari. See, it's easier. Looking at the hand. Pancha, shat, trini, chattuari. Pancha, shat, trini, chattuari. Twisted triangle. Pancha, shat, trini, chattuari. Looking up. Pancha, shat, sapta, ashta. Okay. So just that's the way with the bricks to do the same thing. Okay, we'll finish all the standing asana, then we'll talk if there is any doubt. Samastiti, Natarajasana, dancing Shiva posture. Samastiti. 1 point, if you don't look at 1 point, you're lost. Ekam, bend your knee back, catch the toe, right hand goes up. Left knee you have to bend. Okay. Right hand goes up. Dvi, exhale, take your leg down, leg up, and don't lean. Just lift your leg up, bring the hand in front. Inhale. Try to lift your leg up. Exhale. Natarajasana. 1. Inhale. Look at 1 point and balance. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Try to maximize the height. Now 3 inhale, stand up. Right arm goes up. Chatwari, exhale, hand down, leg down. Try to balance, okay? Ekam, right leg bend. Catch the toe, left hand goes up with an inhalation. Dvi, exhale, bring the hand down, but take the leg up. Try to balance. Inhale. See, the idea of this asana is to lift the leg. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Yeah, try to raise your leg a little more. Exhale. Bring the thigh almost parallel to the floor. Inhale. Don't lean much to the front. And exhale. 3. Inhale, stand up, hand goes up. Chatwari, exhale, hand down, leg down. That is Natarajasana. Now, sit in Vajrasana. Okay, so we did 3 asanas: triangle, twisted triangle, and dancing Shiva, Natarajasana. This is also next also coming under the category of standing only. Pariga. Pariga means handle or gate. Okay, it's a gate called the gate posture. It's a side bending asana. Ekam. Inhale, stand up on the knees. Catch your waist. Okay. Dvi. Exhale, take your left leg to the left side. Just take your left leg to the left side. Trini. Inhale, open the arms parallel to the floor. And this toe, this toe can be made standing toe. Okay, inhalation. Yeah, don't keep it sleeping toe. Chatwari. Exhale, bend sideways. Bring the right arm on the right ear. Bring the right arm over the right ear. That's it. Side bending. Don't bend forward. It's a pure side bending. Inhale. So it should not go front. Yeah, it's a side bending. Exhale. You should get a pull on this side of the body. 1. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale. Keep the foot grounded, okay? Inhale. And look forward. Exhale. Now inhale, stand up, open the arms sideways. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, walk your left leg inside. Keep that standing toe. Exhale, take your right leg out. Parigasana. Inhale, open the arms. Parallel to the floor. Exhale, side bending. So try to bring the left arm on the left ear. Look, munde nodi. Look forward. Inhale, aage. Your own front. Exhale. Keep on sliding the right hand. Inhale, right knee straight. Yeah, you have to bend the body sideways. Exhale. One more. Inhale. You should get that pull on the side. And exhale. 3. Now inhale, stand up, open the arms. Exhale, catch your waist. Sapta. Inhale, bring the right leg inside. And exhale, sit in Vajrasana. Now inhale, sit to any one side. You can sit to the left side. On the exhalation, release the legs in front of you. Hands back. Any queries? What we did till now? What are the asanas? Trikonasana, Parivarta Trikonasana, then Natarajasana. Last one, Parigasana. P-A-R-I-G-A, Pariga. Pariga means handle or gate. These are one point focus. All the balancing pose. See, balancing pose will be possible only if you focus on one point. Otherwise, you will fall. No. Try. Another thing, try closing the eyes. Then also you cannot balance. Both you cannot do. Moving target, you will move along with that moving target. No?
Your breathing is also not proper.
Yeah, it will not come. Yeah, correct. Yeah, Manju, you're asking something.
Sir, what is the alternative for bricks, sir?
Bricks. If you have some small stool kind of thing, no, at home, something which we use in for some bathroom and all, no, something small ones, a round type, or books may slip. That's the only thing. Books. Yeah, small stool. Idya, maneli idya, nimdu. If you, I think Amazon and all, they're delivering, right? In your place, they don't deliver.
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm trying, but I'm not getting here, sir, because they are small items. So
Okay.
anyway, I'm trying to get that. Thank
Yeah, try. It will be mostly available. Most of the countries, it's there. Those
Sure.
just search yoga bricks, you may get it. Try.
you. Sure, sir. Yeah.
And now, sitting postures. Okay, quickly we're going to do. We'll finish all the sitting posture, then only we'll speak. Baddha Kona, Merudanda, Virasana, Supta Virasana, Bharadwajasana, Karnadandasana. There are 4-5 asanas in one sequence. Samastiti, Baddha Konasana. It is an extension of your last month. We did that butterfly, you remember? That we are going to do it as an asana. Keep your legs together, point your toes forward. Point your toes. There should be life on the tip of your finger. Sit straight. Open up your chest. Tall, shoulders wide. Exhale the breath. Fingers always open. Never keep your fingers closed. It will only hurt your wrist. Ekam. Inhale, fold both the legs to the groin. Catch your toes. Inhalation. Now do a little time butterfly. No rounding. Keep on doing a little butterfly. See, look at my back. See, you look at your back. Both the back is rounding. Yours is also rounding. Geetika also rounding. Others are straight. So don't do this. What do you have to do? Bring up. Look forward. Keep on flapping. Okay. Now take an inhalation. Back straight, chin up. Exhale, bend a little forward. No, stomach has to come. Stomach, elbow should be pressing on the thigh. Gitika. मुंडे आगे देखना है, आगे जाना है, नीचे नहीं जाना है हमको. She is doing it perfect. Nobody, she is also fairly okay. All others, Uma is correct. Renuka around aagta ide. Geetika and you, both, all three are rounding. See, it's not this. If you do this, gone. This. So try to, from here, to bring front. One breath is over. Wait. Inhale. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Exhale. कितना breath हो गया? 2. Inhale. My sound is reaching there, ma? That sound I want to hear. Exhale. कितना हो गया रेणुका? Breathing. 3. Inhale. Exhale. कितना हो गया? 4. One more. Inhale. ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ. And exhale. 5. Now inhale, sit up. Look at my feet. Opened, no. You have to open. You have to attract your chest with your feet. You have to open your feet up. Like that. Don't keep your elbow front. Elbow should go into the groin. Your elbow should be on the groin. See, use the hand. See that difference. See, I am trying to show you. You got it? See, it's not this. It's this. See the difference which is coming. No, see, you're not getting the point. You're still in this, stuck here. Bring the chest up. Pull your chest forward. Catch the toe. Keep your heel into the groin. Into the groin. Little more. Paining? Okay. It's okay. So try to keep your back straighter like this. Yeah. Now go down. Don't look down. See, this is far better. A little more front. Keep your chin forward. Chin forward. Chin forward. Chin forward. Better, far better. Keep your elbow here. No, on your groin. Okay, better. A little more. Okay, just stay here. This is far better. Instead of doing this, okay? Now inhale, sit up. Exhale, hook your toes. How do you hook your toes? I have told you. No. These two fingers. Correct? Insert it between. Now, you're going to Merudandasana. From here, you should not lean. See how I'm going to open my legs. Inhale, open the legs in front. That's it. No rounding. Exhale. Yeah, better. No rounding. Inhale. It's okay to remain here. It is okay to do like this, but don't do like this. Got it? Yeah. Inhale. Look upwards. Exhale. Merudandasana. Yeah. Open your legs in front. Inhale. Back a little more straight. And exhale. Fold your legs to the groin. And inhale. Release the legs in front of you. Exhale. So let me show you that Merudandasana. Relax. All of you relax. From here, when you lift up, try not to take it up like this. You'll fall back. Correct? So what you have to do is keeping the, see, these are all the things which you have to get properly. So as much as possible, keep the weight forward. See, as much as possible, I'm keeping the weight front. Itna jayega chalega, no problem. Itna bhi chalega. See, whatever I'm trying to keep, I'm keeping the weight in front and opening up. Correct? No leaning. Open up. A little more. Correct. Utna chalega. Don't open beyond that position and do like this. It may become straight, but you will be like this. Exhale. Yeah, little open up. A little more. Correct. Look up. Exhale. Then inhale, release your leg forward. And exhale. Ekam, fold both the legs to the left side. On the exhale, sit in Vajrasana. Take an inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale.
Exhale. Now inhaling, keep your left heel outside the buttocks. Left heel outside the buttocks. On the exhalation, keep the other heel also outside the buttocks and sit between them. Virasana. Between them means your buttocks will be touching the floor. Buttocks will be touching the floor. Keep your knees together. Toe should not go outward, toe inward. But your buttocks should be touching the floor. Yeah. So, you're paining. Okay.
Ankle pain.
So what you have to do for that is take 2 bricks. All of you take 2 bricks. So this bricks you should keep it ready before the class. Otherwise that time you will not get time for doing this. Now do the same thing with the bricks below that. Is it easier now? Yeah, correct. Is it possible? Now you are able to do easily. Aita. Now it is easy. Okay. But gradually you have to get out of that. Okay. So initially you were here. So your brick should be ready. Ekam, inhale, fold both your legs to the left side. When you exhale and sit, you will get a little time, no, 1 or 2 breaths. That time you have to sit like that with the on the bricks. Okay. That is called Virasana. Inhale and exhale. Now again take an inhalation. On the exhalation, lie back on your elbow. Yeah, just lie back. That's all. Your asana is over. Inhale, put your head back. Exhale. Yeah, it will give a little back arch. Inhale again, keep your thighs together. And exhale. 2. Now inhale, sit up. All of you come to sitting position. It's okay, now you are able to lie down. Exhale, Dhyana Mudra. Inhale, sit to one side. And exhale, release the legs in front of you. Relax, shake your legs. So what you did now is called Virasana and lying down Virasana. Hero posture, sleeping hero. This asana is opposite of, what is that asana called? Which is this one? What is this called? No, this Merudandasana is the V shape. This one?
Baddha Konasana.
Baddha Kona, Divya is there. Bound angle. Bound angles. Bound angle, very good asana for all these periods related things, no? Menstrual problems, good for fertility related, all these things. And for men also, we get some common kind of problems, cancers come. I don't know what I forgot that name. What is it? Someone
Prostrate cancer.
Prostrate. For us, no, prostrate generally men get. For us, it is good for improving those prostrate functions. For also incontinence, no, urine passes, no, without control. With age, that problem comes. Baddha Konasana very good for all these problems. Prostrate issues, menstrual problems, fertility related problems, all those things.
Really good yogasana for to increase the same thing, or the pelvic floor exercises. They say no, like you said, yeah, the urinary incontinence.
Yes.
So this also helps in that also, no? Like because many patients, women come to me with this problem. Urine leaks while coughing or anything. So you said that they say pelvic floor exercises.
Yeah, this is actually good for that. And general those leg raises, no, my mother has got similar problem. So she does this now.
That lady, I think 30-40 years, I think we should teach them how to do these exercises, sir, especially women. I think I will refer some cases to patients to you. I think Moini came with that only.
Yeah. We can try.
Incontinence. 45-50 all get.
Yes, it's a correct point. She's doctor. She's from Columbia. So we can try something jointly for that.
Yes, sir. I'll try. Okay.
And then 2 more asanas in sitting position. Bharadwajasana and Akarna Dharurasana. Samasthiti. Inhaling, fold both the legs to the left side. Okay. So your left shin will be resting on the right foot. Okay. It will make a plus kind of sign. When I do on the other side, online people will be able to see. So it's like this. I can don't do change. So like this, you can see
this shin is resting on this foot. So it will make a plus, okay, like that. So I'm doing on the left side. And the exhalation, twist the body to the right, keeping the left hand below the right knee, like this with an exhalation. Yeah, twist your body to the right, right side, right side. Keeping the left hand below the right knee, ma, Geetika, below the right knee, that's your left knee. Other side, other side. See how Renukappa is doing, just copy that. Right hand behind, left hand below the right knee, correct. Like that, 3 breaths in this position. Please wait others. Left hand below the right knee. Insert it. Bulge your chest like a pigeon, full palm on the floor, Renukappa, full palm. After 3 breaths, inhale and look forward, release both the hands. On the exhalation, both the legs remove. It's not a very difficult asana. Now inhale, fold both the legs to the left side. Oh, sorry, to the right side, okay? On the exhalation, left hand goes back, right hand goes below the left knee. Ulta, ikkada. Twist your body and look back. Now try not to lean much. Try to push and open up your chest, and you should get a kind of stretch on the side of the waist. Take one more breath. Inhale and exhale. Try to make a chest like a pigeon. Now inhale, look forward, release both your hands. On the exhalation, both the legs release. Ekam, inhale, take your arms sideways up. No break, keep your legs together, point your toe. Dvi, exhale, bend forward and hook the big toe, hook the big toe. Don't bend, no rounding. Try to hook, okay, hook ho gaya. Now inhaling, pull the left leg and lift it to the left ear. So in Akarna Dhanurasana. Like that, like an arrow. Exhale. Bring it to the ear. Kaan ke upar. Inhale. Look at the toe which you're holding in front. Exhale. Yeah? A little bend, no problem. Inhale. Try to bring it to the ear. A little more up. 2. Exhale. And inhale. Last inhale, try to touch it on the ear. Now exhale, release the left leg forward. And now inhale, pull the right leg back. Now try to lift it to the ear. Exhale. Pull it, lift it up, lift it up. Inhale. Look at the other toe. 1. Exhale. Try to breathe with me. Inhale. The buttock muscle will stretch. 1 more. Exhale. And inhale. Try to touch it. Now, exhale, release your right leg forward. Pancha, inhale, sit up, lift your arms to the sky. Shut, exhale, bring the hands down. So that completes sitting postures. Can you tell me the name of the asanas? Baddha Konasana, Merudandasana, Bharadwajasana.
No, Virasana, sir.
Sorry, Virasana, Supta Virasana, that brick we kept folding the leg backward and lying down. Then Bharadwajasana, twisting posture. And the last one, Akarna Dhanurasana. Akarna, A means near, Karna means ear, no Karna. Dhanur means arrow, bow. Akarna Dhanurasana. Okay, that's the name of that asana which we do. All the sitting asanas are over. Coming to lying down. Sarvangasana, Halasana, Niralamba Sarvangasana, Jatara Parivartasana, Setubandha, Chakrasana. That series will come. Be ready. Lie down. Okay. Keep your legs together. Hands side of your body. Now, inhale. Take the arms over your head. Keep it on the floor. Exhale. Point your toes forward. Ekam. Inhale. Lift both the legs up in the air. Dvi, exhale, bring the hands down. Okay. Trini, inhale, catch both the toes with both the hands. Supta Padangusthasana. Now, stay there, start exhaling. If it's difficult, just bend the knee. Now inhale. 1, exhale. Try to keep your back flat. Inhale, keep the legs together. One more breath. Exhale. And inhale. 3. Now exhale and split your legs sideways. Make a V shape. Yeah, open up your legs sideways. Make a V shape. All of you split your legs. You're keeping the catch on the toe. Inhale. Let's take 2 breaths here. Exhale, widen the legs. Keep your knees straight, Geetika. Yeah, one more. Inhale. And exhale. Little more widen the legs. Enough. Now inhale, bring the legs back to the center. Exhale, bring the hands down. Keep it on the floor. Now inhale, lift your hips up and support your back. Sarvangasana. Exhale. Look at your toe. Inhale. 1. Exhale. Inhale. Stay on in the position. Exhale. And inhale, maximize the height. That's good. Now exhale, take your legs down to the head side. Yeah, down, both the legs to the head side. Inhale, interlock your fingers. Come, if you can, come. Exhale. Halasana, interlock your fingers. Come, I will take you up, don't worry. Inhale. Don't worry, you will not fall, guarantee. Exhale. Support your back, hands at the back side. Support it properly. 2. Inhale. Yeah, look at your toe here. And exhale. All of you support your back. Now inhale, bring the legs up, back to Sarvangasana. Both the legs up. All of your legs up. Now exhale, try to keep both the hands down on the mat. Both the hands down, only hands down. Try to balance without hand support. Good Pallava. Inhale, 2 breaths balance without your hand support. Exhale. Niralamba Sarvangasana. 1. Inhale. 1 more breath is required. Exhale. 2 breaths are enough. Now inhale, support your back. Everybody hands support your back. Exhale, bring the hips down. Everybody bring your hips down. Good. Now inhale, spread your arms. Both the arms spread it sideways. Okay. Now exhale, take both the legs to the left hand. Jatara Parivartasana. Inhale, look at your right hand. Last month we did 1 leg. No, this month both the legs. Exhale. 1 breath is, yeah, looking at the right hand. Inhale, palm facing the floor. Exhale. That's called Jatara Parivartasana. 2. Inhale. Breathe with me, all of you. And exhale. Now, without bending the knee, both the legs together, bring it to 90 degrees. Try, whatever possible. And then exhale to the right hand. Keep the knee straight. Look at your left hand. Inhale. Jatara Parivartasana, twisted stomach. Exhale. 1. Inhale. And exhale. Together. Now inhale, both the legs together, bring it to 90-degree position. Exhale, bring the hands down, keep it side of your buttocks. Now inhale, take your arms over your head, both the arms over your head. Exhale, 80 degree, inhale. 70 degree, inhale. 60 exhale, inhale. 50 degree, inhale. 40 exhale, inhale. 30 degree, inhale. 20 exhale, inhale. 10 exhale, inhale. And 0 exhale. Inhale in the position. Exhale, bring the hands down. Okay, relax, hands away, legs away. Take 2 or 3 breaths. What we did now is called the inversion sequence. What all we did? Sukta Padangushtasana, Sarvangasana, Halasana, supportless Sarvangasana, then twisted stomach, Jatara Parivartasana, and then came back. Okay? Back bending. Inhale, take both the arms over your head. Keep it on the floor. Exhale, keep the legs straight, point your toes forward. Ekam, inhale, bend both the legs, keep it away from each other on mat. Keep it away. On the exhale, bring the hands down and catch your ankles. All of you catch your ankles. Setu Bandhasana. Now inhale, lift your hips up and make a bridge. Setu Bandhasana. Exhale, look at your nose. Keep that bridge. Inhale. One. Exhale. Inhale. One more breathing. Exhale. And inhale. 3. Now change your hands. Keep it with an exhalation by the side of your ears without bringing the bridge down. Now inhale, rise up chakrasana. Beginners don't do that. Seniors only lift up chakrasana. Rise up. Exhale. Look towards your eyebrow. Inhale. Try to straighten your elbow. Exhale, walk your legs in towards your hand. Seniors, stay on. Inhale. Beginners don't do it. One more. Exhale. And inhale, heels up. That's good. Exhale, come down. All of you come down, body down. Inhale, release both the legs forward. And exhale, put your hands down. Relax Shavasana. You lifted, no? Hello? Gayatri lifted? Okay. All others lifted? Except maybe newcomer, no problem. Now, Samasthiti, keep the legs together, hands close to the body, palm on the mat. Ekam, inhale, bend your left leg, hug the knee. Only left leg. On the exhalation, lift your head up, try to touch in on the knee. Left leg, or the other leg pointing forward. Look at your nose. Exhale. Try to catch your elbows. Complete hug your knee. Inhale. And exhale. 2 breaths are enough. Now inhale, keep your head down. Exhale, leg down, hand down. Inhale, bend your right leg, interlock your fingers on the shin. Exhale, bring the head up. Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Inhale, look at your nose. Exhale, catch your elbow. 1. Inhale. And exhale. 2. Now inhale, keep your head down, Trini. Exhale, release your right leg, keep your hands also down. Now inhaling, turn to the left side, your own left side. Okay, turn to your own left side. On the exhalation, support your head with your left hand. Like this, you can see, like Ananta Shayana position. Keep the knee straight. Knee straight, Jitika, knee straight. Now inhale, take your right leg up and catch your right toe. Anantasana. Stay here. Exhale. Look at the side wall. Other toe pointed forward. Inhale. Look at the side wall, that side. Exhale. Now try to straighten the leg as much as possible. Inhale. If it's tough, you just bend the knee, catch it, and then try to straighten it. 2. Exhale. And inhale. Now exhale, bring the hand down, leg down. Both come down. Inhaling, turn to the other side. And exhale, support your head with your right hand. Now inhaling, take your left leg up and catch your toe with your left hand. Looking at the side wall. Exhale. Balance on the lateral side. Inhale. Point the bottom toe. One more breath. Exhale. And inhale. 2. Now exhale, bring the hand down, leg down. Take an inhalation here. And exhale, lie down on your stomach. So facing the ground. Here we will be taking 3 breaths, okay? That is prone breathing. 3 breaths in the position. After the 3 breaths, just 2 more asanas are there. With that we close. So now inhale, stretch both the arms in front of you. Both the arms stretch it in front. Exhale, keep the legs together, point your toes backwards. Now, Mayukasana. Inhaling, lift everything in the air except your stomach, which will be on the floor. Inhale, lift your upper body, lower body, everything in the air. Mayukasana. Exhale. Sab kuch hawa mein. Only stomach on the floor. Inhale. 1. Exhale. Only stomach. Inhale. 1 more breath. Exhale. And inhale. 3. Exhale, hand down, leg down. Inhale again, fold your arms and keep your legs away. 3 breaths in this position once again. So we will not do that because we have been doing that every month. Now inhaling, keep your palm by the side of your chest. Exhaling, keep the legs together. Inhale, stand up on the knees. Stand up on the knees. And then exhale, turn forward. Everybody turn forward. Turn forward. Inhale, keep the knees together. Exhale, keep your elbow down. So when you keep your elbow down, your elbow will come close to the knee. Okay. Now inhale, interlock your fingers, make a cup shape. Cup shape. Okay. Exhale. Now be careful. I'm going to show you that. Then you can do. Exhale, keep the crown inside that cup shape on the floor. Now inhale, just lift your knees up. You will reach half headstand position. All of you do that? Yeah, bring your knees up. Keep your head on the floor, not on your hands, on the mat. Walk forward a little, Pallava. Your backbone should perpendicular. Knee straight, Geetika, knee straight. Ardha Shirshasana. Exhale. One more inhalation. Inhale. And exhale, keep the knee down. Take an inhale here. Now exhale, just relax Balasana, don't look up. Without looking up, just relax in Balasana. Normal breathing for a while. Inhale, all of you sit up. Exhale, interlock your fingers. Inhale, stretch your arms to the sky. Exhale. Inhale. One more breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down. Relax. So the last sequence is facing ground sequence. So any doubts in the last sequence we did? I started from Sarvangasana, correct? Halasana we did. Then we came back, supportless Sarvangasana. Without support, we kept the hands on the floor. We did. We came back, Jatara Parivartasana, leg this side, leg that side, we came back. Then lie down, 60, 80, 70, 60, 50, like that, we brought the legs down. Then Setu Bandhasana, we did, bridge posture, correct? Then Chakrasana. If you cannot do Chakrasana, don't worry, you don't have to do it, okay? Just relax when the others are doing Chakrasana. Then complementary asana, one leg Pavanamuktasana we did, one leg. Then Anantasana, sideways, like Vishnu Bhagavan posture. Then facing the ground we did Naukasana, lifting the arms and legs in the air like this. It actually strengthens the back. All this is good for other thing, urinary bladder and all. It gives a lot of pressure here. So it actually strengthens that area. Lifting the legs with the power of your stomach and back. That's also good for what Ramya was talking about. Yeah, Manju, you had some doubt. Then finally we did that half headstand. Now in half headstand, one important point I have to say is, don't keep it front and do like this. It will not work. So when you keep the elbow down, keep it close to the knee. Keep your head down. And when you lift up, you can see the buttocks will come above the head like this. Don't do like this. Then the neck pain will come. Try to keep it front. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
yeah.
Sir, while doing Chakrasana, like when you say, move your legs back, I'm not able to move that. At least now I have reached a point where I'm able to raise my legs. So how do I improve to that thing, sir?
I think it's a matter of time only, don't worry, because just when you keep on practicing, don't push too much, it will happen with time passing by. That strength will come and your back will form to that shape where you can start walking inside. Don't worry much about it. You have improved that, don't worry. Yeah. Anybody is there from advanced class today?
Sir, Bharat, yes.
Bharat, see in your this one, there are only one new asana is the Urdhva Prasarita Ekapada asana. So I'm going to do that. Samastiti. Ekam. Yeah. Inhale, take the arms up. Dvi, exhale, bend forward.
Trini, inhale. I'm going to show this leg, which is visible to you. Inhale, take the right arm up. Exhaling, catch the left leg with the left hand and bring the head towards the leg. Inhale, keep on raising the leg up. Exhale. After the last inhalation, exhale, bring the leg down. Inhale, stand up, take your hands up. Exhale, hands down.
So that's called Urdhva Prasarita Ekapadasana. So that's the one new asana which you are going to do. I think Preeti suggested that. That's one. And the second asana is Baddha Hasta Shirshasana and Samakona. Samakonasana, all of us advanced asana mein aayega. So I'll show you after Baddha Hasta. So I'm going to show you the Baddha Hasta Shirshasana. It's a bound hand going up. It's a little difficult for me also. So here we will do with elbows.
Yeah.
It's a little tricky. Be careful when you do that because it's a very delicate balance. Because the span on the ground is very less.
Yeah.
Unlike your Mukta Hasta. It's difficult for me also. Just be careful when you're doing it. Do it in front of some of your family member. Don't do it alone. Don't try on your own, okay? Because it's a very delicate balance. You may fall this side, that side. You should get a lot of control on that. Otherwise, you cannot do it. That's one. And the last will be common for all of us. That's called Samakonasana. All of you can try that. You can take 2 bricks, which is already there with you. That's a special asana of this month. Samakonasana. Sama means equal. All of you, keep your feet apart. Exhale, keep on pushing the leg out. Inhale, keep on spreading. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, all of you just lift your toes up. After some point, you have to come back. It's difficult. Beyond that, don't do it. So gradually, I will sit, but you don't do it. Finally, you'll have to completely sit. Sit flat and do Namaste. Samakonasana. Beginners, sorry, seniors, I'm in advanced class. Inhale, sit up. Exhale. So that's for senior, advanced class. Okay. For you, what you have to do is keep on spreading, keep on spreading. Don't go beyond the limit. See, once you reach here, reach somewhere here. Okay, keep on spreading. Okay, today this much is enough. Tomorrow, little more, like that. It will take 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, all that. So many years it has taken for me to reach there. Finally, little after a few months, try to open up your heels upwards and then keep on splitting. Gradually, gradually, gradually. It will open up and become flat. Okay. Yeah, no, that will take a little time to get there. Don't break your head on that. Gradually, just keep on spreading. So this is in the advanced class. And for our practice in the last advanced asana, you have to do one asana. It is, see, Iyengar says, there are no advanced asana, no beginner asana. Only advanced students and beginner students. You are a beginner student, correct? You can do asana as per your capability. You don't have to worry too much about whether it is going to full split. Don't worry about it. Now sit. Pranayama. There are, after this, you will be lying down ideally in the class and taking Shavasana for 2 minutes. During Shavasana, we will chant in lying down position. Okay, let us chant once again. Inhale. One more. Inhale. So this will be done in Shavasana position only. Okay. Every class there should be some sound-based calming. Last month it was Brahmari, you remember? So university they have give guidelines. Every class one sound-based calming is required. You cannot escape before that. Then after sitting we will do Kapala Bhati, abdominal breathing. Very simple. Okay. All of you, Dhyan Mudra, take inhalation. While exhaling, the stomach goes in. Relax. So like that, we will do about 5 to 10 rounds. We will be doing Kapalabhati. Okay. Is there any confusion on that? I think it's simple, correct? When you're exhaling, the stomach goes in. Okay. Don't do ulta. You can sit convenient position. No problem. Sit convenient. Then Anuloma Pranayama. Anuloma is the mix of Ujjayi and Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. All the inhalations will be done through sound from the throat. Exhalation will be done with the finger. Okay. So keep your chin down. Now inhale with the sound of throat. Now hold your breath. Bring your right hand on the nose, all of you. Exhale from the left side. Hold your breath. Keep your hand down. Keep your hand down. Now inhale from the throat again. Hold your breath. Bring the hand up again. Bring your right hand, same hand. Exhale from the right side. Hold your breath. Bring your hand down. I'm going a little fast. Now inhale from the throat again. Hold your breath. Bring your right hand up. Exhale from the left. Hold your breath. Bring your hand down. Again, inhale with the throat. Hold your breath. Bring your right hand up. Exhale from the right. Hold your breath. Put your hand down. Inhale. Relax. So what you did now is called Anulom Pranayama. All the inhalation is with throat control. In exhalation with finger control. Nasika Mudra. That's the Anulom Pranayama. After doing that, we will just sit quietly for just 1 or 2 minutes. Without silently, we will sit. Okay, like that. Any sitting position, okay. Now inhale, take your hands up sideways. Exhale, bring to center of the heart. Closing prayer, all of us. Take inhalation. Oh. Together.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु शांति शांति शांति. Gently bow down. Thank God for today's whatever you could do. And come back. Thank you. Namaste. Take care. Namaste. Any doubts you have? Anybody, any queries? Otherwise, I have to go to the next class.
Thank you, sir.
So, yeah, so whatever you did today is the sequence for the next. Back straight. So initially 1 or 2 weeks, no problem. Few days you will have some confusion. Slowly, slowly, slowly it will come. Okay. Whenever you're going wrong, I'll try to put you back. Don't get hurt. Okay. So I'll be, little, sometimes I'll correct you little. So just try to keep on improving day by day. Okay. In advanced class, I've explained Urdhva Prasarita Ekpadasana. Remaining I've also shown. Okay, so those who are there on the advanced class, please watch those asanas, especially Baddha Hasta, be careful, Samakonasana and Urdhva Prasarita Ekapadasana. These are the different asanas, which is new. There are other difficult asanas that is already known to you, most of them. Okay, so just watch this video. Okay, when you reach home from the 1st of January, we'll be starting that sequence. Okay, okay. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you, Shiva. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
So next week,
Small doubt. Thank you.
A few days I'll not be there, but another teacher will be there. Yeah.
we inform the
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Another teacher will take the class. Even if I'm not there, another teacher will come.
okay.
Yeah. Yes, Neha.
Yes, sir. In the Trikonasana and Parivarta Trikonasana,
Yeah.
is it okay to bend the knee because it is very difficult?
If you find it very tough, no problem. You bend the knee slightly. It's not an issue. Gradually try to come out of it. No problem.
Because today's asanas I found very difficult, means that knee bending and all.
No, don't worry. It will come.
Okay.
Actually, the last month asana is more difficult.
Okay.
Okay. It will come. See, it's just matter of practice. Okay. Don't worry. Wherever it's difficult, you just take a relax. I'll bring you there. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.